Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Let us analyze the Nifty pattern. Actually, if it is very essential to analyze the pattern because Nifty expires weekly. So if we see the pattern, then most of the traders they trade in options by seeing the Nifty. Buying option or selling options, they do it. Here, if we observe the pattern from the last week, you can see I have labeled Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm on the hourly chart. Or we can go to 15 minutes chart to see the structure properly. Here, I'll go back for last week. That was on 23rd June, Monday, 23rd June, Monday, Tuesday. What you are seeing is the trend continued to the upside. And Wednesday was an inside bar. This was a pause in the trend. And then trend continued to Thursday and Friday. So 2 days up, 1 day pause, and 2 days up. Now, the pattern in this week, what it is following is Monday down, 1 day down, and then Tuesday it is a pause, inside bar. Probably the trend may continue. Suppose if it starts breaking below this level, Monday, Tuesday level, it can go down to this level, daily low level. So I have measured this. If it is a measured move, we can expect let me clone this. I'm cloning this and bringing down. We can expect this much move in the market. That comes to 25,374. This pattern may come over here. Instead of that, if the pattern reverses like this, so let me clone again. Let us clone this. So it's difficult to make it ulta. Anyway, it will go down. So it can do this also. The market can do this going to the 25,709. So inside day formation, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it can travel higher and then later it can come down. Either way, it can continue downwards like this, or it can move higher towards the upside. There are two possibilities. So based on the India VIX, the levels to note down are 25,374 and 25,709. So you need to note down on the higher level 25,986 and 25,097 on the lower side. So inside bar is formed in this area. It can either propel Nifty towards the higher side. We need to watch. After moving to the higher side, it can even do like this also. There is possibility. This type of price action is also possibility. It can hit 25,709 or it can directly come down and it can move higher. So tomorrow, what you need to do is you have to mark the high and low. This is very important price action. High and low of the level. So what I do is I go to the price note and I put a magnet over here and I will put the labels over here. On the high, 25,593 and 25,501. You can imagine the market has ranged within only 93, 94 points. The range has been compressed and also it is an inside bar. Inside bar, and tomorrow is Wednesday, a day prior to expiry. So anything can happen. Here, there is liquidity above this level. If the market tries to move higher, it can grab the liquidity in this area. It can move higher like this and grab the liquidity and move downwards. If the market, instead of that, in the opening bell itself, if it starts moving down, it can reverse and close in the range. Or it can, from here, let me take it out. Let me take this arrow and it can move like this. It can come down. If it comes down and takes support around this area, which is a very good level from where the breakout has taken place. You can see this was the break of the structure. This is the breakout of the structure to the upside. If it takes support around this area, then it is a great opportunity. It can come down, engulf, and it can go move higher to seek liquidity. So tomorrow's price action is very, very crucial. If it comes down, it is a buying opportunity. If it goes up and if it faces resistance, then it is a selling opportunity. Because in this area, the market has taken liquidity over here. Suppose if it takes liquidity beneath this level, it will gather momentum. If it takes liquidity beneath this level, it will gather momentum to move higher. Then you will have a wide range for your trade. So finally, what I'm saying is you can anticipate for range expansion tomorrow. Range expansion in the market for tomorrow, that is needed actually. When contraction happens in the market, when the price is contracted, naturally the spring effect will be there. When the spring is compressed, it will get released. So tomorrow you may expect a volatile session on both the sides. You can anticipate for that. Coming to the Bank Nifty, what it is from the pattern is Friday up, it has come down to the same range. It's a range type of movement, what you are saying. Now it is closed inside the Monday's range, and also apart from that, it has closed above the opening price of the today's open price, and it is showing bullish close in the market. Suppose if I go to the daily chart, you can see the price has closed above the open, and it is a dozy which has taken liquidity beneath this level. So, and the wick towards the bottom is more than the wick towards the upside, indicating buying pressure at the low level. So the levels to watch for Bank Nifty are first resistance at 57,836 and first support is around 57,082. You need to carefully watch for Bank Nifty's price action because it has hit this level 2 to 3 times. Only if it starts trading above this level, it can go past this level and hit 57,836. Or otherwise, if it gets rejected somewhere here, it can come down to 57,082. So price action is very tricky. So you need to trade very carefully and you should have wide open eyes to notice the price levels. For the Nifty, I have shown you 25,593 and 25,501 forms the crucial range levels for tomorrow's trade. So friends, I wish you all profitable trading day. Good luck. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.